In this section on advanced parameters, we're going to cover a couple of more things. First, we're going to look into how to add images into our prompt. Second, we learn how to work with image weights to help the algorithm determine how much significance the image holds versus the text prompt provided. The third thing we'll do is start working with text weights. And then we'll figure out what the remix and the blend features are. Now to start working with images, the first thing we need to do is to create an image URL, because the only way we can feed an image into Midjourney's bot in Discord is by providing an image URL. So one way of doing that is, if I have an image saved on my Mac or PC, I can just open the image and upload it here. For instance, let's say I pick this image that I downloaded from Pixabay for free, and I'm just going to press enter and it will be uploaded. Once the image is uploaded, I can click on it and open it in browser. And that will generate a link to the image for me that I can copy. So here's my image link that I got from my browser, and if I press enter, it's going to open, or it should open the same image. Okay, perfect. So now let's say imagine and we just provide the link and see what the algorithm does. Okay, it doesn't. So that's what it says. With only a single image prompt, please another image prompt or a text prompt. So as we are working with V5 and V4, they will not accept just an image as an input parameter. You will have to assign something else next to it too, or another image. So let's say in Wonder Woman as Wonder Woman. And let's see what it does. While it loads, I can show you another way of getting the image. So here I'm at unsplash.com and it's a free image. When you're working with images, please make sure that there are no copyright issues and you're only using the images that are available to you. So licensing and copywriting is very important when working with AI tools. If you use an image that is not free and free to use, and you create an AI image on top of it, then you might be run into licensing issues and copyright issues. So make sure any image that you use as a prompt is available and there are no licensing issues. Now for this specific image, I clicked on it and I can say open it in a new tab, and then it will give me an image URL. And I can take this to my prompt, to my Discord, and enter here, and it will show me the image here. So in this way, I was able to load an image without actually downloading it. Just a small hack that I wanted to show you while our Wonder Woman image is loaded. Now let's use this one and try something too. So we do image in a superhero costume, and let's see what happens this time. So now our images are ready, and this was the first image that we used as an input prompt and said make it a Wonder Woman. And you see how powerful the algorithm is, that it took the image and then added some flair and aesthetics to make it look like she's Wonder Woman. I can tell by the costume, the crown, the makeup, and the overall look of it that it indeed looks like a Wonder Woman image. The second one was this image, and we said in a superhero costume. So because I said in a superhero costume and not as a superhero, it took that as a girl's photo and made her wear a superhero sort of a costume. It's interesting how it made the dots appear on the face in different as points of the face, which were apparent here as the some sort of pimples on the face. The next thing I want to explore is the assigning weights to the image. And basically what I've done here is I ran the exact same prompt, but this time I added a parameter for weight, which is --iw, and I assigned a 0.5 weight to the image. and then I ran the same prompt, but this time I assigned a 2 weight to the image, and then I assigned a 1 weight to the image. So now let's review how the algo interpreted it. So when I assigned a 0.5 weight to the image, that means it will give double importance to the text, which is the Wonder Woman. And that's pretty apparent here. In all these images, you see a very strong resemblance to Wonder Woman has been created in the costume, the crown, the makeup, and the hairstyle. It clearly looks like that this is Wonder Woman. Now when I assigned, let's look at the one first. So now here I assigned the image weight of 1. So that means it's going to give an equal importance to both of them. And that's apparent in these photos, especially in 1, 3, and 4, where you see slight features of the Wonder Woman, but at the same time, the original image of the girl's face is still there. And then finally, I went to image weight of 2. And here you see that the image is getting a lot more importance than the Wonder Woman prompt, text prompt we provided. And except in this U2 image where we see a small crown on her head of Wonder Woman, all the images are more focused on the woman URL that we provided and not the text prompt. So in this way, we can use text prompts. In this way, we can use the weight parameter to basically further customize our images and get the desired results that we want. I really like this image, and this is something again that we will cover in one of our projects where I've seen in Etsy. It's a very good running business where they allow people to provide a couple of images of themselves or their pets, and then they go and modify them based on their favorite superhero character. So knowing features like this, such as weight, can help you really customize images provided to you by your customers and then modifying them for different superheroes or different characters or even real life people if you want, if that's what they're looking for, and then provide them a customized AI generated output in this way.